If she reminds me, I'll go with it.
Adam is the consummate professional. You know, everything that he does is done at a very high level. He's very flexible in his assignments, so if something comes up that needs to be addressed, he does so immediately. He's good with everybody. You know, he relates well with our parents, with our students, with the staff. He's everything that you would want in a head engineer. So he does his job at a very, very high level, and we're extremely proud to have been able to bring him back here since he had been here prior.
I was a custodian here at Knapp, and then I left for Jefferson, went to Jefferson for 2 years, and now I came back.
They loved having him back. The first day of school, they're like, Mr. Adams back, Mr. Adams. They're like, yes, he is. So it's definitely nice to have him back in the building. His overall demeanor towards the kids is really awesome. He enjoys being here. The kids enjoy him. He really goes out of his way to make them feel welcome and make them, hey, I'm part of this building with you guys, and I'm here to help you, just like, you know, we're all here together. So
it's a way of working with kids and making the kids' lives better here throughout the building, and safer and cleaner place for them to be. I think you need to have communication and patience, and know that things are going to come up all the time. Doesn't matter what time of day, you just have to be ready to work.
This year we have our lunch periods where we have one grade level at a time, so it kind of made his schedule a little more robust during that period of time. So he's constantly kind of jumping in and out. Well, he's kind of taken now to where he just kind of hangs out in the lunchroom and kind of helps do, you know, he kind of helps out and assists with the lunch period from time to time, interacting with the kids, with the teachers who are out there staffing it, you know, and you can see him just kind of having a good time with it, you know, and it's not something that he has to do, it's something that he chooses to do, you know. He puts an emphasis on building those relationships. And that's what we hope to see every staff member do, and he definitely sets that example for others.
Start at 9.
Oh, that's nice. I'm gonna have to get me one, right? Feels good, as if you're needed or wanted here.
You know, he's just an all-around. He's a good dude, you know. So put that in there.